All right, third grade. If you have completed all of the activities under Chromebook orientation, so you've completed all of these all the way through Google Toolbar lesson number 2, then I have added a fun activity for you to complete today. This one is separate and it's called Dr. Seuss Practice. You can open it up, and remember, our screens look different now. You go to My Document, and I want you to open it in full screen. This is what it looks like. These are challenges for you to use the Google Toolbar. Some of these you will have done already with me, and some you will not have done. This is challenging. You are working on this because you already finished all the required work. So some of this is going to be challenging. It's okay if it's hard. You're going to follow the directions in each box. Type in your first and last name. Change the font color to green. When it says instructions here in bold, it's talking about the text that's below. So when it says change the font color to green, it does not want you to change this font to green. It wants you to change this font to green. It wants you to change this font to size 30. These are all things that you have done before. The thing that's going to be new is inserting a picture. I'm going to show you how to insert an image of the cat in the hat. You will need to insert multiple images in this worksheet. To insert a picture of the cat in the hat, we have two options. You can use the Explore button that is down here, but after trying this worksheet with some other classes, not a lot of the pictures show up in Explore. So I'm going to suggest you go up to the top and you open a new tab. You search for cat in the hat, and then you choose images. Okay. You pick the image of the cat in the hat that you like, and you two-finger tap on your trackpad. Choose Copy Image. This is just like copy and paste. This is just a different way to do it. Go back to your document, make sure your cursor is flashing where you want to paste the picture, and then hold down Control and tap V for paste. All right? You will do that on a number of these for different pictures. So it's a two-finger tap in your Google image to copy. So your pointer and your middle finger at the same time, two-finger tap, and then it's good old Control V to paste. Make sure your cursor is flashing where you want to paste the picture. When you are done, you can close out of your full screen tab. You will get back to here, and then you will submit it with the big white Submit Assignment button in the corner. When you have finished that, please go to Typing Agent. Remember, you need to access it through Rapid Identity, and you must earn 2 stars on the lesson before you can go on. You may have to take some of these lessons 10 to 15 times to earn 2 stars. That's okay. That's the point of Typing Agent. All right? So we are finishing our work under our Chromebook orientation. We're finishing all of these. And then we are completing Dr. Seuss. And then we are going to Typing Agent. I'll be checking in on GoGuardian to see how you're doing today. I hope you have a great day.